Early dawn, unveiling the beauty of English phrases. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English phrases. Early dawn is a beautiful expression that many of you might have come across. But what does it really mean? Let's explore this together. Early dawn is a combination of two words, early and dawn. Early. This word generally refers to something that happens before the expected or usual time. It can be related to time, order, or position. Dawn. Dawn is that magical moment when the night transitions to day. It's the first appearance of light in the sky before sunrise. It represents a beginning or the start of something new. So, when we say early dawn, we're referring to that very initial phase when the first light begins to appear. It's even before the full dawn. Imagine the darkest hour of night just starting to get a hint of light. That's early dawn. Understanding the phrase is one thing, but using it appropriately in sentences is another. Here are some examples to guide you. 1. We started our journey at early dawn to avoid the traffic. 2. The chirping of the birds at early dawn is so soothing. 3. I often find myself more productive when I start working at early dawn. These sentences show that early dawn is not just about the time of day, but also about the feelings, ambiance, and opportunities it brings. While early dawn is a picturesque phrase, there are other words and phrases that can convey a similar meaning. Here are some of them: break of day, first light, daybreak, pre-dawn. Each of these has its own nuance, but they all refer to the early moments when night gives way to day. And there you have it, the beauty and essence of the phrase, early dawn. Whether you're using it to describe a moment in time or the fresh start of a new venture, it evokes a sense of hope, newness, and beginnings. We hope this video illuminated this phrase for you and enriched your English vocabulary. Keep exploring and happy learning!